In this video, you'll learn how to handle renewals in HubSpot CRM in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking Service in the left sidebar, then click Automation. A submenu appears showing your automation options. You'll see workflows, sequences, and other automation tools listed there. Click Workflows from that submenu to open the Workflows page. The page loads showing your existing workflows and a grid layout of your automation workspace. Once the page loads, you'll see an Agent Hub modal overlaying the main dashboard. Click Dismiss to close it, and reveal the Workflows dashboard underneath. Your active and draft workflows now appear in the main view. Now click the Create Workflow button in the top right corner. A drop-down appears with two creation options. You can start from scratch or use a pre-built template. Click From Template to open the Workflow Templates library. The library loads showing template categories and featured automation workflows organized by use case. Search for renewal workflows to filter the templates. For this example, I'm typing renewal into the search box. The results update instantly to show only subscription and renewal-related templates. Click the Remind Customers to renew their subscriptions template. A Details panel opens on the right side, showing the template's trigger conditions, actions, and automation flow. You'll see exactly what enrollment criteria, email steps, and delay timings are included. Review the template to confirm it matches your renewal process. You'll see the enrollment triggers, email tasks, and timing delays all laid out in the preview panel. Check that the renewal window and reminder cadence fit your subscription model before you commit to using this template. Before you activate a renewal workflow, create a dedicated renewal pipeline or deal stage so the automation knows which deals to enroll. If customers aren't getting reminders, check that your deals have close dates set. The workflow typically triggers based on days before renewal. You can clone this template and adjust the timing or email content to match your renewal cycle, whether that's 30 days, 60 days, or quarterly. Test the workflow with a dummy deal first to verify the email sends at the right time, and that's how to set up renewal handling in HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.